not sure how well you can see this little chest of drawers. Here are the drawers. It's very yellowed over the years. It was in a smoking house, and it's just really, you can see that it used to be a white color. The sun's kind of brutal out here today, so I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna sand this down and attempt to make it something pretty. It's pretty old. It was here in the farmhouse that Joyce and Byron lived in, the one that we restored, and so let's see if we can't make it pretty. Handles are quite the booger. Try and get out of there. There's no bolt or anything on the back. It's just like, you can't even see that. It's so dark. Like they're just threaded in there. So weird. Anyway, I'm gonna keep prying on these and hopefully pop them out. I've got like little wooden drawer pulls that I'm going to put back on these. Hopefully they'll fit. So anyway. Finally got the hardware off and got the tops of them sanded. And I'm going to sand the big piece now. I've got a little bit of it. There's like gold fleck paint in random spots on this. I don't know. You can't see any of that, I'm sure. The light's terrible, but anyway, I'm gonna start sanding and hopefully start painting here in a few. Okay, all painted. Here's the actual chest. I did leave it a little streaky with the undercoats because I want it to look a little distressed but not like too raggedy or anything. So it's still drying and hopefully it's gonna look really good.